Here is how to find Hotspot password on your Android. In order to find it, you need to scroll the navigation bar from the top of the screen and tap and hold onto the mobile hotspot icon. And from the page that appears, you can go ahead and tap on the password option to view it. And from this page, you can delete the previous hotspot password and enter a new one, and then tap on save in the bottom right corner of your screen. You can also rename your network name. And furthermore, you can also set your band and security as well. If you cannot access your navigation bar directly, go ahead and open your system settings. Then scroll down and tap on connections. Now tap on mobile hotspot, then tap on mobile hotspot again, and you'll be able to access the settings from here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.